Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your DSJ Exchange account BT Wealth Sharing. First, open the DSJ website or app on your PC or mobile device. Log in using your username or email and password and complete two-factor authentication if it's enabled. Next, navigate to your profile or account settings, then click on Verify Account or KYC Verification. Now enter your full legal name, date of birth, and country. Make sure all details match your official ID exactly to avoid delays. After that, prepare the required documents, which may include your passport, national ID, or driver's license, and a proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Ensure all documents are clear, readable, and valid. Some accounts may also require a selfie with your ID for facial recognition. Follow the instructions carefully and make sure your face and ID are clearly visible. Once submitted, DSJ usually reviews your application within minutes to a few hours. You will receive an email confirmation once your account is verified. After approval, you can deposit funds and start trading freely. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.